Hey everybody, I'm Joseph,
And I'm Amadeus.
and together we created Scubafy.
We saw how challenging it was for dive centers to run everything on paper, spreadsheets, and for their daily operations.
We've noticed that most of the systems out there that dive centers are currently using are either overpriced, outdated, or they just weren't easy to use. So we wanted to change that.
So we built Scubafy, all-in-one management tool. It is simple, affordable, and it's just made just for your dive center.
We work closely with dive centers to design every feature with purpose. This isn't just another management app. This is built for the dive industry.
And this is just the start. We've created something that's going to change how dive centers run globally.
So what is Scubafy? Scubafy is a all-in-one dive center management platform. It tracks customers, it tracks dive trips, dive gear, vehicles, and even finances. One of the best things about Scubafy though is that we're an ever-evolving platform.
Scubafy has a lot more to offer. For more information, visit scubafy.co and you can claim your 1 month free trial.
So what are you waiting for? Sign up on Scubafy now and transform the way you run your dive center.